Let's get back to the market at large. Tech seeing some serious strength today. That sector hitting a new high, the NASDAQ as well. Steve Kovach is here with more. We know about the mega caps, but it's not just those stocks, Steve.
Yeah, it's a lot of tech, and I'll echo what Ed was saying just a few minutes ago, Scott, that it's like that DeepSeek thing never really happened, or at least a lot of these AI names have sort of shrugged it off. You got lots of M&A activity, just optimism around the AI story again, so much more going on, but not everyone is invited to the party. I'll show you that in a second. But look, we have NASDAQ hitting new records this week, on pace to close this week up more than 3%. And let me give you some highlights from the Mag 7. You have NVIDIA also hitting new highs following its annual shareholders meeting. You had CEO Jensen Huang making these huge promises regarding AI and even beyond that, robotics. It's now on pace to close up more than 8% for the week. Then you got Meta. We have all these headlines over the last couple of weeks that it's on this huge artificial intelligence hiring spree, spending enormous amounts of money. Now it's up 25% for the year. And then some of the lowlights out of the big tech names we got here. Apple and Tesla still sitting out, underperforming their peers. For Apple, it's the same thing we talk about all the time, Scott. Still has the most exposure to tariffs and did not show off any major AI breakthroughs at WWDC. It's down still nearly 20% on the year. And then Tesla in a bit of a sales slump. We saw the firing of that one VP yesterday. And then the gains from the robotaxi debut earlier this week, they pretty much got erased. Tesla, not as bad as it was earlier this year, but it's still down about 20% on the year, Scott.
All right, Steve Kovach, thanks for that. Let's bring in